Hi, I'm Mike McLaughlin with Nimble Storage Technical Marketing, and today we're going to talk about a reference architecture for VDI. This was built on Cisco, VMware, and Nimble Storage, a very simple and scalable architecture that you can use to build out a VDI infrastructure. What we started with was the Cisco UCS B-Series chassis and a Nimble Storage array. In this case, it was a CS220. All right. What we did is we built out the infrastructure necessary to support the VDI environment, including Virtual Center and View, and a golden desktop for our Windows 7 deployment. From that, we basically then used linked clones to deploy across the blade chassis. And we chose to basically go with about 140 desktops per blade. We were putting about 100 desktops per volume here, and this allowed us to basically scale all the way up to approximately 1,000 desktops when we got done with the deployment. These blades here could basically go from 140 to 160 desktops, and to scale this out, all I needed to do was basically add another Nimble volume, let's say going up to 10, with 100 desktops in that volume. Another master copy and linked clone would come out of that, and we could basically build this out and scale this out as we filled the rest of the chassis. What this provided was a very simple and tested solution, because we used View Planner all the way along to make sure that the workload of this particular environment met the criteria of the RDP program. So that was all tested while it was running. This is a live, full deployment. And we also employed the VSA, the View Storage Accelerator functionality, out of the VMware environment, so that we got a tested environment here, simple to deploy and scale, all built on the Castle architecture with the Nimble storage. From this environment, we were able to see, using the View Planner results, response times of the desktop environment here under the 1.5 second restriction, and roughly running about 10 to 12 IOPS workload, reduced a little bit by VSA, and the Castle architecture basically gave us the benefits of the cache acceleration for the boot storms and all the read-heavy activity, and the sequential layout for the write workload that typically comes out of a VDI environment. So this reference architecture basically gives us a very simple and straightforward way to build anywhere from 100 to 1,000 desktops. So this was a quick overview of the Nimble VMware Cisco reference architecture. For information, visit our websites at nimblestorage.com, vmware.com, or cisco.com. Thank you.